My name's Thomas Menges. My business is Thomas W. Menges Trucking Incorporated. I'm out of Grantsville, Maryland. The truck, it's a 1986 Mack Superliner with a 500 V8 in, 12-speed Mack transmission, Mack rear ends with a Canadian New Way air rod. I've known this truck ever since it was new. The gentleman that bought it, I knew him and hauled for the people. And well, the gentleman that bought it, he had bought it originally. He did Mack truck shows for about 7 years with this truck. And then they had just kind of parked the truck for a while. And then the gentleman had died that owned the truck, and it just sit around. His son ended up with it. And I got to talking to him one day, and he decided to let me have it. So I towed it home and started working on it. And the paint on it and everything's original on this truck. All I did was change some lights, and we replaced the interior of it. Everything else, the way it was bought new, it was built in Canada. We redid the ceiling, the interior, and then in the sleeper we had to tear all of it out because of working on the lights, so we had redid the upholstery in it. This truck was sitting for 11 years in the weeds, and yeah, it wasn't inside. And the chrome and everything on it amazes me, and the way the doors and everything work is just so perfect. It's just amazing. You don't find the doors opening like that very often.
Even on a new truck.
And listen to the sound on this truck, on the door. It sounds as solid as like a car. It's things like that that amaze me, how well kept the truck was. Even though it sit outside, it's just something else.